make sure not to get you on camera.
Honey, let's go. I already took the spoon. Probably get out.
Keep that.
She can't go out, Dad. Honey, drive. Where are we gonna go? The motorcycle.
Audrey.
Okay?
Audrey, all done?
I want to get on the back. Hurry, Tage and I'm going to fly on the helicopter.
Do you have fun? Do you have fun?
Oh, there's one on the car. It's not our car. Yeah, it is. Ready? I'm already here.
Audrey, you have to get another
I'm already
Not.
here.
Come on, man.
I'm waiting for you guys.
You driving?
See my car?
Hey. You figure out where to put it? Good job. No? Where'd you put the first one?
Audrey! They get so much money. We're all out of cash money. Audrey, tell me go.